In modern manufacturing, programming industrial robots is a massive bottleneck. Engineers spend hours manually coding movements for every brand of robot, turning advanced processes into a time-consuming, specialist task where a single human error can halt production. The challenge here is how do we move from slow, specialized, brand-specific programming to fast, automated and error-free execution. To overcome this, researchers at A*STAR Institute of High Performance Computing developed PathForger, a modular, brand-agnostic software framework that acts as the universal translator between design and robot. PathForger instantly converts complex 3D CAD models into ready-to-use, optimized robot motion commands. It eliminates the need for manual, brand-specific programming, allowing users to focus entirely on process performance, not on code syntax. First, PathForger uses mechanism and physics-driven planning to truly understand the manufacturing process. Like cold spray, ensuring the toolpath is not just a line, but a high-quality material formation strategy. Second, it understands the shape. It breaks down complex 2D and 3D geometries and automatically generates a single, continuous, optimized toolpath that covers every layer smoothly, with no manual intervention required. Finally, PathForger takes those universal path coordinates and converts them instantly into the exact robotic language required, whether it's rapid, Lua, or G-code. It is reliable, robust, and has been thoroughly validated on real robotic arms within A*STAR Institute of Materials Research and Engineering, and A*STAR Advanced Remanufacturing and Technology Center. The seamless workflow means that even non-experts can generate complex, error-free robotic paths within minutes. This could potentially transform industries like aerospace for repair and coating, advanced manufacturing for polishing and inspection, and the automotive sector for precise spray applications. By integrating this end-to-end automation intuitively, users may drastically reduce manpower needs, shorten development time, and ensure maximum process reliability across the entire fleet of robots. Leverage the power of turning intelligent workflows into deployable code across different platforms. Contact us today to learn how PathForger can be tailored for your manufacturing future.